Hello, I am Ms. Haq for some computer science student Amal College. I am here to present seminar topic about clock signals. This is a pin diagram of 8085 microprocessor. This microprocessor consists of 40 pins. There are only 3 pins in clock signal. The clock signal consists of 3 pins which are X1, X2 and clock. X1, X2 are terminals to be connected to an external crystal oscillator which drives an internal circuitry of the microprocessor. It is used to produce a suitable clock for the operation of microprocessor. CLK is clock output for user which can be used for other digital ICs. Its frequency is same at which processor operates. So here I am concluding my presentation. Thank you.